So it's Lorelei again with a Valentine cake one more time. It's really pretty. It's a little vintage style cake. Now I'm going to be giving this cake away on Saturday. I'm going to have a book signing at a place called Jester's Coffee in Brookfield, Connecticut. So if you're in Connecticut, come on by between 1 and 3. We're going to do a cupcake decorating contest. We're going to have a book signing, so I'm going to sign my books. And we're going to give this cake away to the winner of the cupcake decorating contest. And it's a very pretty vintage style cake. I did buttercream on the side with greens to make it look very soft. Then I did some pink ruffles, and the buttercream flowers are something I just tried recently. They're called Scabiosa flowers. And I put a couple of buttercream roses on there as well. So I will put links to everything in the description box below the video, so you can find everything that has to do with this cake, and I'm going to just share with you how I made that particular flower. Begin by making a ring of buttercream to act as a base or foundation for your flower. This is the number 104 tip, and you're going to make 7 petals. For each petal, hold the bag at a 45-degree angle as you pipe. The wide end of the tip is facing down. The thin edge creates the fine ruffle. Move the tip in an arch as you create each petal. I like to think of each petal as having 3 distinct arches, the center arch being the tallest. As you move the tip in an arch, move it slightly up and down to create the ruffle edge. Now for the second layer of petals, angle the bag at more of a 90-degree angle. Pipe 4 or 5 petals in the same way but smaller. Next, fill the center and then pipe the yellow center using a small round tip. I used a number 3 round. Here it is again. I'm going to do it one more time. I ended up making 14 flowers, and I put them in the freezer to get them nice and firm. The cake I used for this is my chocolate buttermilk cake, which is in my book. The filling and the frosting is my favorite Italian meringue buttercream, and I will put a link to that at the end of the video. I used a leaf number 352 and a number 10 round for the border, a number 104 for the ruffle, and number 21 for the shell. And now for the fun part. Pile your flowers, overlapping them as you go to create a full look. Use a little bit of buttercream to attach each flower. And then just pipe leaves all around. And that's it. So thanks again for stopping by, and happy Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. You can get my free buttercream book, that's down below as well. There's links to my book, my website, and make sure you leave a comment and let me know what you think and what you want to see next, because I'd like to give you what you want. So go ahead and don't be shy, just tell me what you think, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.